how to put string trimmer line on a dual kind of spool. And this is for a Ryobi. It's kind of like a dual spool, but it might have some differences. So basically there's a hole and we want to slide the string into the hole. So once it goes into the hole, now this one, it was struggling there. Now it really matters if you put it, like which way it's put, depending on if it's a curved shaft or a straight shaft. So for this, we want to line these edges up here and get it pretty much like this. Now that that's good, now if you look at this, there's an arrow. Now that arrow, I'm assuming, means this way that the string goes, but then if you look at this, it looks like it goes here. So you can kind of look and see how it goes. How to put string trimmer line on a Ryobi Weedeater. So, for this particular one, there is a hole, and we want to thread the line through the hole first. So we thread it through, and then we want to make it even. So a quick way to make it even is to get the strings, and it's one string, kind of get them level, and then go like this. Once we do that, and you wind it up, it would be nice if they had put a notch in here to hold it. I like how, I like the way Echo did theirs more than the way Ryobi did theirs. This is actually painstaking. So, for straight shafts, this side out. For curved shafts, this side out. So you want to try to hold the string and slide it through. So we put the one on the bottom end first. Okay, that's a success. Now we want to put the top one in. Okay, and we want to slide the whole thing down. I'm serious, this is a little difficult. And then we want to put this on. But it has to be turned right. This part has to be turned right. Slides on, locks in place, and there we go. Now there is a cutter to help to cut it right here. But if you don't want to deal with that, you can simply take something and kind of hold it approximately to where it's at and trim it up. Thank you so much for watching.